Okay, here we are. We're talking potatoes, taters, mashed potatoes, french fries, all the good stuff. I'm out here. They're about 3 weeks into the ground now, so they're looking really good. I've got some that are smaller over here, but that's okay. They're all going to catch up and be the same. So I'm out here just kind of maintaining them. There are plenty of weeds that are starting to pop up, so I am out here with my wedge toe here, and I'm just kind of working up the ground all around it because I'm going to keep using that soil, that loose soil, to keep mounding up the potatoes as they grow. So as I'm out here weeding, I'm just kind of pushing it up on there as well, just to kind of keep them covered and just kind of keep that soil under on top of them. But I'm not covering up the green. I'm just kind of giving them some, keep doing this, because I'm going to keep doing this the whole entire time they're out here until they start to die back. So that's what we're doing. So there's your maintenance for your potatoes.